Okay, each time you want to use your internet tools, just run the internet dialer and click the Connect button, and your connection will be made. That's all there is to it. If you forget to connect and just start using your internet tools without dialing up first, you'll probably get a message like this. It's no big deal though. Just connect and try again. Just as you would at the end of a normal phone conversation, you need to hang up the line when you are finished using the internet. Just run the internet dialer and click the disconnect button. Like a lot of people, I'm a little lazy about the whole connecting thing. So I avoid a couple of extra clicks by automatically connecting whenever I run a program that needs to access the internet. Total Access configures your dialer to automatically connect whenever any application tries to access the internet. You should always remember, though, that even though you make a connection without having to do anything special, you still have to hang up the phone at the end of your session. If you would like to do this automatically, the Internet Dialer has an option that allows you to disconnect after being idle for a period of time which you determine. That's about all there is to it. But before I wrap it up, I just wanted to explain one thing that people sometimes get confused about. As far as the phone company is concerned, when your modem calls one of the Earthlink numbers, it is no different than if you had dialed that number by hand. That means that if the number you are calling is long distance, you will get normal long distance charges from your phone company. Earthlink cannot be responsible for any long distance charges you might get if you call a number outside your local area, so please check and make sure the numbers you call for access are local for you.